Watch the till the in how to make a water motor pump pump. It is very simple. It is very simple to make a powerful water pump. It is very to have a small DC motor. You can also make a DC motor water pump at home. If you do as shown in this video and skip the video, you won't understand the video, so watch the video till the end. Do what I do in this video and watch the video till the end. If you like the video, give it a like. I don't speak English, so I am using Google Translate to tell you that. That's why I am not in the video. Do as I do in this video and watch the video till the end and you will understand. Don't skip the video anywhere. If you skip this video and watch it, you won't understand. That's why I am giving you this video. I don't know who to how to speak English, so I am using Google Translate to translate you it. You can also do other projects at home or at school or in your garden. Water pump your plants. Watch this video till the end and tell me how you like this video. I am very poor. Please support me on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. Other motor water pumps. You can do science and technology project in your school. Keep coming to number one rank. If you have done other projects in your school, comment how you like this video. I am very poor but I am making videos. Subscribe to my video and give it a like. If you do this in school, you will be ranked number one. Comment and tell me if you like the video and give it a like. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. I am very poor. If you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments. God bless you and protect you all.